Robotics is changing the way we approach education. With the rise of STEM education, robotics has become an essential tool for teaching science, technology, engineering, and math. Robots are not just toys or gadgets. They are powerful tools that can help students learn complex concepts in a fun and engaging way. In this video, we will explore how robotics is being used in education to teach STEM subjects and how it is transforming the way students learn. We will also look at the benefits of using robotics in education and how it can prepare students for the future. So, join us as we dive into the world of robotics in education and discover how it is shaping the future of STEM education. Robotics in education offers numerous benefits to students, teachers, and schools. Firstly, robotics helps students develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills. By working on robotics projects, students learn to identify problems, analyze data, and come up with creative solutions. Secondly, robotics helps students develop technical skills such as programming, electronics, and mechanics. These skills are in high demand in today's job market, and robotics provides students with a head start in their careers. Thirdly, robotics helps students develop communication and teamwork skills. By working in teams, students learn to collaborate, communicate, and share ideas. Finally, robotics helps students develop a passion for STEM subjects. By making STEM subjects fun and engaging, robotics inspires students to pursue careers in science, technology, engineering, and math. These are just a few of the many benefits of using robotics in education. Robotics is being used in classrooms across the world to teach STEM subjects. Teachers are using robotics to create hands-on learning experiences that engage students and make learning fun. Robotics allows students to apply theoretical concepts to real-world problems, making learning more relevant and meaningful. Robotics also allows teachers to differentiate instruction and personalize learning for each student. Students can work at their own pace and level, and teachers can provide targeted feedback and support. Robotics also promotes student-centered learning, where students take ownership of their learning and develop self-directed learning skills. By using robotics in the classroom, teachers are creating a learning environment that is engaging, relevant, and personalized. Robotics is transforming the way we approach education and is helping to prepare students for the future. Robotics is not just limited to the classroom. It can also be used outside of school to enhance learning and inspire creativity. Robotics clubs and competitions provide students with opportunities to apply their skills and knowledge in a fun and competitive environment. These events also allow students to network with other students and professionals in the field, providing them with valuable experiences and connections. Makerspaces and community centers also provide students with access to robotics tools and resources, allowing them to continue learning and exploring outside of school. Robotics can also be used to create innovative projects for science fairs and other competitions, allowing students to showcase their creativity and problem-solving skills. By using robotics beyond the classroom, students can continue to develop their skills and pursue their interests in STEM subjects. Robotics is not just a tool for learning, but also a tool for exploration and innovation. Robotics is transforming the way we approach education and is helping to prepare students for the future. By using robotics in education, we are creating a learning environment that is engaging, relevant, and personalized. Robotics is not just a tool for learning, but also a tool for exploration and innovation. Robotics is inspiring the next generation of innovators, problem solvers, and creators. So, whether you are a student, teacher, or parent, consider incorporating robotics into your learning journey. Robotics is the future of STEM education, and it is shaping the way we learn, work, and live. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of robotics in education.